Start by removing the screw seals. Remove the screws using a 5mm Allen key. Remove the pump head and replace it with the new one. Align the pump head with the mounting holes, keeping the arrows pointing upward. Tighten the screws in a cross pattern to ensure a more secure and even fit. Finally, reinstall the screw seals.